Tornado sirens are going off right now in Hastings, Nebraska once again. Just listen. I think it's hitting in town once again. Tornado sirens are going off there.
I think the hell's passed.
Yeah, but the tornado didn't. It's supposed to get. Whew. Winds are getting dangerous out here.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I can hear them out. I'm out here on the porch.
Blake is recording.
Windows got busted on it. I am inside the house. But the windows got busted on the porch.
Go ahead, Dad.
I know.
Want me to go check the truck? Dad? I have no problem doing that. Go checking on the truck.
You're going out in there. My foot's gonna.
I set it on one spot.
Oh, yeah, we're safe. I know, but I gotta get out of this anyways. I gotta go.
Where's the tornado at, though, is the thing.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking. Yeah.
This is why I'm recording this stupid. It did, didn't it? All over the flow. We also have broken glass and a broken screen.
I'm looking on the radar now. Yeah, I gotta check the truck.
I think Mother needs to be.
Yeah, we ain't gonna check the truck because it's gonna start hailing again.
The tornado warning's over.
How much you want to bet? Yeah, well, that thing's mine.
It's super.
No bugs.
I know, we need to get another one.
Alright, I'll see you in a little bit once this gets lower down.
This is why I'm from Oklahoma. Ain't that right, Dad?
Is that why you
Alright.
were supposed to fucking tornado earlier?
Yep.
Alright. Miranda's trying to call me. I'll call you back. Miranda's calling me.
I
Alright. I love you too.
I do too.
Alright. Bye.